From a horizontal shelf to vertical dividers? Stick around to see how I get this done. We're using extra drawers from the top unit. I took 5 of them apart, cutting the bottom piece of the drawer to 25 inches wide. In addition to adding dividers, the teacher also asked to remove the doors that were no longer needed. Bam, bam, bam. That was easy. LOL, just kidding. Whoever installed this shelf made sure it was not going anywhere. It had several nails attaching it to the side wall. It took about 20 minutes to fully remove this shelf.
Success. What a pain.
I had to grab my Dremel and cut wheel to remove some of the nails that were left behind. Now that I had the shelf out of the way, I could add the dividers. Using the side walls of the drawers and my 18 gauge nailer, I hammered all dividers in place. Another happy teacher, and all done without needing to buy any wood.